Hello everyone, welcome to FlowHunt. Today I will show you step by step how to use the tool calling agent in FlowHunt and make an AI chatbot that specializes in generating blogs or blog ideas using an array of various tools as an example. Let's get started. When you enter flowhunt.io, the first thing you'll see is the Getting Started page. Navigate to the Flows tab and create a new flow. Name the flow as you wish and provide a detailed description so that you know exactly what each of your flows does. When you create a new flow, you will have the option to choose from different ready-to-use templates, but we won't do that today. Next, we are greeted by our canvas. Here, we need to add an input and an output. The input represents the user's request, and the output is the chatbot's response. Any components placed between the input and output will transform the input into the desired information. Let's add some components. The first component we'll add is a tool calling agent. This component can be assigned various tools to choose from, and based on the user query, it will decide which tool to use to generate the answer. You can check the various tools in the tool compartment on the left tray. Before adding tools, let's add chat history and an LLM to the agent. The chat history will ensure that if the user isn't satisfied with the generated answer or asks a similar question, the chatbot can remember and adapt. The LLM is for processing, but keep in mind that the tool calling agent already has a built-in GPT-4 model. This component is only added in case you want to change the AI model. Now, we can add our tools depending on what we want to generate. I'll quickly go over the different tools so you can choose the optimal one based on your needs. The Arxiv Tool is a free distribution service and an open-access archive for millions of scholarly articles. The DALL image generating tool uses deep learning to generate digital images from natural language descriptions. The PubMed tool supports the search and retrieval of biomedical and life sciences literature. The Reddit tool searches Reddit posts, and the Stack Exchange tool provides a question and answer interface on various topics. The Wikipedia tool is an online encyclopedia created through the collaborative effort of users. The YouTube search tool will search YouTube for the query, but only links the videos and cannot extract and content or watch the videos. There are also human assist tools like Contact Human Assist, Live Agent Human Assist, SmartSup Human Assist, Live Chat Human Assist, and HubSpot Human Assist. These tools activate when the chatbot needs human support, often used in e-shops and businesses. Retrievers can also be used as tools. The Google Search Retriever searches Google or specific domains and extracts data from relevant URLs, which can be our most valuable asset in our blog writing chatbot. The URL Retriever presents links used in the output so the user can check them out. The document retriever uses previously queued documents as context for the generated answer. Now that we've gone over all the tools, choose the ones suitable for the type of blog you want to generate and connect them to the agent tool. Then, connect the agent directly to the output. If we click on the tool calling agent, we can give it a simple prompt in the system message area. This prompt helps the agent understand its purpose, which can vary depending on what you want the chatbot to do. For today's example, we'll set the prompt to generate blogs, and the chatbot will generate blogs using the tools we put at its disposal. The agents are very versatile but non-reliable component to use, but one big advantage is that they are super easy to set up. Our agent flow is ready for use. Here's a picture of the completed flow if you wish to copy. And as always, if there are any questions about this flow, make sure to contact us or leave a comment below, and we will make sure to get back to you and resolve your issue. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.